Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy M02s. Now this is a phone that comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Here in the back of the box we see that we have a big battery of 5000 mAh, a triple camera setup and Infinity V display. The weight of this phone is 196 grams. Let's open the box and take a look. Here we have the usual paperwork, a quick start guide, warranty card and original log guide. Now, as you may already know, the M series are specifically made for the Indian market. So if you live in Europe or US, I don't think that you are able to find one of these phones. The equivalent to M02s in Europe will be A02s. Now back to the unboxing. This is the device itself, and here inside the box we have the usual stuff. Only one charger, the SIM ejection tool, this is the charging brick. It's not an adaptive fast charger, but it's nice that in this day and age Samsung still includes a charger. Here we have the Type-C cable, which is Type-C on one side and Type-A on the other. Now this is the device. We have the triple camera setup here with the flashlight. On the side we have the power button, the volume buttons here. The selfie camera along with the earpiece is here at the top, while on the bottom we have the charging port, speaker, headphone jack and the microphone. Now let's turn it on. It has a plastic back. Here it feels kinda empty, but yeah, it's plastic. Now for a quick size comparison, we have the new Mobile G5, and they are almost the same size. Even the placement of speaker, charging port, etc. are on the exact same location. Now let me set up the device and I will see you in 1 second. Okay, so we are on the menu now, everything is done. Now first thing, I want to go to the software update and register the device in order to get the new updates automatically. So we see here that we have the security patch level of 1 November of 2020. Now while this is downloading, when we go here on the software information, we see that the phone started its life with One UI Core of 2.5 and Android version Android 10. Now basically what I do in my unboxing videos is what you should be doing when you get a phone. So first thing, you go to software update and register the device to get the latest updates. Go to device care and turn on security. If you have a budget device like this, it will be a very good idea to go to advanced features and reduce animations. Reducing animations will make you feel like the phone is faster. Now let's open the camera app. We have live focus here. We have photo. We don't have a wide angle camera. We only have 2 times and 1 time. We have video. Here let's go on settings. The maximum resolution of the video is 1080p with 30 frames per second. Here on more, we see that we have the Pro mode, macro camera and panorama. Now let's go to YouTube and we are going to test the speaker a little bit and we're gonna watch the viewing angles. Now we only have one bottom firing speaker, which I have to say is not that loud. You see that accidentally I block the speaker if I'm holding the phone like this, and when I block the speaker it's not that loud. Now, the maximum resolution of the display is 720p. One fun fact, I don't know if you guys know, but 720p is not considered high definition anymore. The video needs to be 1080p at least in order to be considered a high definition video. The first impressions of this phone. I don't believe that this phone will be for you as an average consumer, which requires a lot from a phone. If you require gaming from this phone, this is not the case. But if you require a simple phone to go through basic tasks, like, I don't know, surf the internet, watch some YouTube videos, use it for WhatsApp, Facebook, etc., it's a good phone. This is not a phone for, I would say, for me, because most of the people watching this video are people like me that want to get the most out of their devices. But this is not the case. This is a budget device, and you are getting this device for the single fact that it has 64 gigabytes of storage and it has a big battery. Also, the looks of it are not that bad. It's a big phone, triple cameras on the back. Being a new phone will get at least another major update, so you're covered on that part. I believe that this phone will last you for at least another 2 years or so. Actually, there is nothing else to say. I'm deciding to close the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.